Types of number. First we look at prime numbers. The first prime number is number 2, and it's only this number which is even. All the other prime numbers are odd numbers, and also 1 is not a prime number. The reason is when we have factors of 1, we only have one factor, which is 1. So every prime number has two factors, 1 and the number itself. So 1 is not a prime number, but 2 has two factors, 3 has two factors, and 5 has two factors. So 2, 3, 5, they are prime numbers. The number after 17 will be 19, which is prime. Then the 21, because you can divide by 3 or 7, so is not. The next one is going to be 23, and so on. Multiples. Multiple basically is a timetable of a number. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. Then factors. Factors which can divide number into, for example, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and the number itself, 15. Squares, 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, and so on. So the nth term basically is n squared. So 7th term or 7th square number is 7 squared, which is 49. Triangular numbers, you can draw them like this. First, then you draw 2 numbers underneath, then you draw 3 more here, then you can draw 4 more like this. So the nth term here is n divided by 2 times n plus 1. So the 10th term or 10th triangular number going to be 10 divided by 2 is 5, 10 plus 1, so it's going to be 55. Square roots, reverse of square, so the square root of 25 is 5, square root of 64 is 8, and so on. Cubes, 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, and so on. So the nth term basically is n cubed. So the 6th term, 6 cubed, which is 6 times 6 times 6. 36 times 6 is going to be 216. Now cube roots are the reverse. So the cube root of 125 is going to be 5. Cube root of 64 is 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Similarly, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. powers. So 2 to the power 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. So 4 to the power 4 means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 16 times 16. So there's some other number type we could use. They're rational numbers. These numbers can be expressed as fractions, or irrational ones cannot be expressed as a fraction. These are numbers like square root of 2, square root of 3, pi, square root of 7, and so on.